So we've got all this sorted out. We've got the right belt on it. We've got the pulleys back together. We've got the guard back on. We've lost one screw here. I have to find one and replace that. It's probably on the floor here and I'll probably pick it up somewhere. It certainly sounds a lot more grunty than it used to. But there's only one problem. Have a bit of a look. Don't know if this will show us. It's running backwards, so we're going to have another look in the back here. And change this motor around, I guess. So after a few hiccups, we're all back together. It certainly sounds a bit more powerful anyway, if nothing else, than the original. So close look there. Got all the grommets back in and the wiring nice and neat. Look, there's the adjuster, works the same as the original. The motor's on. Switch back in. This little plastic cover that works the emergency stop, still missing a screw. It'll turn up. And this is the power lead. The motor's wired in there, all going the right way. And everything looks nice and square and true. The only thing I really haven't done is put some sort of an edge around this hole here in the back, because this is a bit crappy. I might even, if I'm in the mood in the next few days, bend up a bit of 1/4 inch rod to go around there and pop rivet it on with some lugs. That might be something that's good and secure and strong, just to true that up. So I guess that's still a job, but everything else is back together and I've got a drill press again. So thanks for watching, guys, and we better get back into the steam engine.